Welcome back to the channel. We're back in my hometown of Chester. Hope you're all keeping well. So this morning we're going to celebrate the arrival of Trump in our little island by going to Wetherspoons, and we're going to look at the breakfast. So they do an American breakfast and they do a standard British breakfast. So we're going to try both of the breakfasts and see which is the best. I think we both know which is going to be the best, but you know, let's go give it a go. Okay, so we're here. So we're just going to log in and find out all about these breakfasts. So they've actually got an American breakfast option. So they don't just do the one American breakfast, they do a range of them. So looking down, it looks like they do small American breakfast, and then do all kinds of pancakes. So we're just going to go for the American breakfast. So it's £7.58, and then add that to my basket. Okay, so this is interesting. Apparently the American breakfast does not come with a drink, so bear that in mind. Okay, now I'm going to go with traditional breakfast, UK breakfast. Again, I don't think I've got an option to have a drink with that. Okay, so that's really interesting. So neither of those options come with drinks. So I normally get a muffin, and the muffins come with drinks. So that's really, really interesting. I wonder if I had a big breakfast, whether it comes with a drink. Let's see. No, that does not come with a drink either. Okay, so we don't get a drink, but that's fine. We're only here to compare, so it doesn't really matter. All right, we're gonna go ahead and order both of those. Okay, so it's ordered. Okay, so just to read through what's included in the American breakfast, it's got 2 fried eggs, 2 hash browns, maple cured bacon, 2 Lincolnshire sausages, that's a tongue twister, 4 pancakes with maple flavoured syrup. So straight away, seems weird. America, you're doing it wrong, but we'll give it a go. If we go through to the normal breakfast, the traditional breakfast is fried egg, bacon, Lincolnshire sausage, another tongue twister, baked beans, 2 hash browns, slice of toast. I'll come back to you once it arrives. I'm excited to see what it's like. So looking at the news, Trump has arrived. He arrived this morning, calling illegal migration as a horrible invasion that is killing Europe. So it's good that he's arriving and not stoking up any division. Bloody hell. They've arrived. So I guess, looking at them, the main difference is the same sausages, same egg, got different bacon. So this is like the bacon from the American one, which is maple cured, and then you've just got the regular bacon from the British one. So first of all, we're going to start off with the British breakfast. We'll start off with the Lincolnshire sausage, dip in some beans, bit of egg. Sausage is amazing. Now, because the British breakfast comes with toast, which I buttered earlier, we can make a bacon toast thing. No ability to make your own stuff in the American breakfast, so take that into account. It's delicious. We can try hash brown. And that is all we're going to eat on the British one. Absolutely lovely there. Now, I guess the main question we've got to ask ourselves is, so I'll just turn you around and show you this. So, these sausages are the same as the British breakfast, as is this. The eggs, I presume, are the same, and the hash browns will be the same, but the difference is this thing here, which is maple cured bacon, pancakes, and more bacon on top. So, I'm going to move my sausages onto the other plate and the hash browns, and we're just going to try this and see what it's like. So we're going to pour this on top. And then we're going to just dig in and see what it's like. I might try out some of the sausage and see if it goes together well. I don't know if it will, but you know, here to try new things. So let's give it a go. Right, just going to dig in. Pancakes and bacon, whatever next. Right, so here we go. Bit of bacon on there, some pancakes. So it's very sweet. Pancakes are lovely and fluffy. The bacon kind of reminds me of the bacon that you get on burgers. You know, when you go to McDonald's and you get those burgers with the bacon on, it's kind of like the thin stuff. It's not like the bacon on the proper breakfast, but it's nice. Okay, so the bacon and the pancakes taste lovely. But my question is, do Americans have like the pancake with the eggs, and the sausage? Or do they just keep the sweet stuff separate and eat that on the side? I don't know. Let's give it a go. Got some egg here. Put it with the bacon and the pancake with some of the syrup on. Weird. America, what are you playing at? That's just weird. Okay, so let's go a step further. We've got a sausage, some pancake and the sausage, and let's dip it in the syrup. So it doesn't not work, but it doesn't work either. It's very strange. Let's try hash brown. Hash brown, pancake, bacon. There we go. I mean, I think the main thing you want to take from this is the moment you throw syrup into the mix, that's all you can really taste. Syrup with different textures. So, is it awful? No, it's alright. Would I buy this over a British breakfast? I think sweet and savoury should never mix. Maybe I'm just not cultured enough. So if you're American and you're watching this, am I meant to mix the sweet and the savoury? Because I tried it and it wasn't terrible, but it wasn't great. So please comment below and let me know that if you're in America eating this American style breakfast, would you eat your sausages and your eggs and your hash browns, then finish off with the syrup and the bacon and the pancakes? Is that what you meant to do? Did I do it wrong? I don't know. Also, let me know if it does look like an American breakfast, because I don't know. I've not been to America. Comment below. Been to Mexico. It doesn't really count as America though, does it? Just to prove I didn't eat all of it, I'm not a fatty. I am a bit. So here's my final thoughts. So the pancakes and the bacon, the maple cured bacon, I actually quite like them. They were alright. Did I like them on the same plate as the savoury stuff? No, not really. So I think going forward, if I felt like something sweet in the morning, I might be tempted just to get the pancakes with the maple cured bacon and the syrup and just have that as like on its own. I don't think I'd mix it with hash browns, eggs and sausages though. But yeah, I might just have that by itself. So in terms of which is the best breakfast, as an Englishman, I can't answer that, can I? I'm always going to be biased. We invented the breakfast. But there was parts of the pancakes and the syrup that I did like, so they haven't got it all wrong. I'd like to maybe go to America and try a proper American breakfast and see if the Wetherspoons version is lacking anything. I don't know. Be interesting anyway. So you've reached the end of the video. Thank you for that. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. See you later.